Hello to and welcome back to our comprehensive guide on revolutionizing your navigation experience within ServiceNow. Today we are unraveling the power of hierarchy breadcrumb, a feature that transforms how to transfer through various hierarchies, not just limited to any table, but extending across any applicable table within ServiceNow environment, which follows parent-child relationship. So parent-child relation is a must in order to it's like a prerequisite for a table to qualify for this particular criteria or for this particular use case. In the vast expanse of ServiceNow, organizing data in a hierarchical structure is fundamental. From location to task and beyond, hierarchies help in visualizing relationship and dependencies. However, navigating these hierarchies can often feel like a maze. Here enter the hero of our story, which is a parent breadcrumb formatter. The parent breadcrumb formatter is your navigation compass within ServiceNow. It dynamically creates a breadcrumb trail, making each level of the hierarchy easily accessible with just a click. No more backtracing or losing your place. Now let's just set the stage for implementing this game changer feature. And as you can see on my screen, this is my personal development instance, which is currently on the Washington release. And for today's use case, what we will be implementing is if we go to cmn underscore location, which is a location table on ServiceNow instance, and if you open any of this, for example, if you open this particular location out, so as we can see, this particular location falls with South Charles Street falls into Baltimore. Okay, it's a parent. Baltimore is a parent for South Charles Street. Now, if we open Baltimore as Maryland, if we open Maryland, it falls into what? In North America, and so on and so forth. So basically, it's really difficult to understand the hierarchy. Okay, and if you want to have completely focused on this hierarchy, this particular feature is for you. So let's get started. So we'll be adding breadcrumb trail. We will try to add a breadcrumb trail on this location table. So what you have to do, it's pretty easy and straightforward. So first of all, I will just go with pop because I don't know which module formatter lies to. And we'll go to formatter. So under system UI, you will find the formatter. Okay. Now you don't have to create anything from scratch. You can simply copy paste it out. So you have to just navigate to the task table, and on task table, because it's out of the box present on the task table. Okay, you must have seen sometimes. You can go to the parent breadcrumb, and on the parent breadcrumb, this is the configuration. So what you have to do, you have to just change the table over here. Don't change the table on the original record. So what I'm doing, I'll just do the cmn underscore location. I'll just change it to location. Nothing to be changed. Okay, and just do insert and stay. So it will create a new record for cmn underscore location table. Perfect. You don't trust me. So what we'll do, we will go to UI formatters, and now we'll search for cmn underscore location, and there must be a record created for it. Perfect. This is the record which just got created just now. Okay. Now, as a next step, what you have to do, you have to just go back to the cmn underscore location table, and we will open the same record, South Charles Street. Okay. Oh, still you are unable to find anything out, right? Some work is pending. Let's wait. And just do the configure, go to the form layout. And on the form layout, okay, there is no beginning at this. So first, bring the beginning, okay? Because beginning is very important. Just put the beginning at the beginning of the list, and then find the parent breadcrumb. So this is a model called parent breadcrumb. You just scroll it up in the top of the beginning, and you just save it out. That's it. That's what you have to do. And now you can see there's a perfect aligned breadcrumb trail. Okay, parent breadcrumb trail. So you can see South Charles Street falls into Baltimore. Baltimore falls into Maryland. Maryland falls into North America, and North America falls into America. Perfect, right? So you can see the entire hierarchy without navigating from one form to another, from one record to another on the screen itself. Okay. Also, you can navigate from one place to another. For example, if I want to directly jump to Maryland, if I want to do it without the breadcrumb trail, I have to go to Maryland first. From Maryland, I can go to North America. But from here, if I go to directly to the North America, I can simply click on it, and it will navigate me to the same record. So this is how the Parent Breadcrumb Formatter will help. Okay, this was very useful, and I have implemented it on a couple of tables. Okay, some of them are custom tables, so it's really helpful. Just keep in mind the prerequisite, like it should have parent field. Okay, it follows the parent field. Okay, it should be out of the box parent field. Okay, not the parent field you have created, you underscore kind of things. Okay, so this is all for today's tutorial. I hope you like it out. If you like it out, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be notified of my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and have a nice day. Thank you.